Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's me Sneha and welcome to the 5th episode of Soul Talk or Uncut with Sneha. So in today's episode, we are going to be covering some of the questions that were mostly asked related to my personal choices, YouTube, as well as some motivation. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. And yeah, now let's get started with today's question. So the first question is how to fulfill your dreams when your parents do not support us. So basically, first of all, आपको अपने पेरेंट्स को प्रूव करना पड़ेगा that you're good at that field, you would be doing excellent. So first of all, you need to understand that what is your parents' point of view, because उनके भी मन में हो सकता है कोई ड्रीम्स हो, वो चाहते हो कि आप कुछ और बने. सो फर्स्ट यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो क्या चाहते हैं कि आप क्या बनो, बिकॉज योर पेरेंट्स वुड ऑलवेज थिंक समथिंग गुड फॉर यू. आफ्टर दैट, इफ यू स्टिल फील लाइक यू वांट टू परस्यू द पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन दैट you have thought of, then you need to convince them. And how can you convince them? The only thing that you can do is you need to prove yourself to them. आप सपोज आप कोई डांस में आगे जाना चाहते हो, so you need to do something that your parents get influenced, maybe you win a competition or you do something. They should feel that you would be able to earn properly and you would be comparatively you would be able to earn better than the profession that they have chosen for you. Because in your life, it's always important to do what you want to do as well as do what your parents want to do. So if you can pursue both of them, it would be excellent. After that, if you want to pursue what you want to, you personally need to first of all make your parents firm about it, that this is the profession that my child has chosen and I'm proud of him or her, and I know that they would be able to succeed in the particular profession that they have chosen for themselves. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, if you were given a superpower, then what would that be? See, personally, this is a question that I need to think a lot about, because first of all, this is superstitious, ऐसा कुछ होने नहीं वाला है. But still, in this hypothetical situation, if I still feel like कि मुझे कोई सुपर पावर मिलेगी, then I would like to change the society in terms of what they are doing. They are discriminating people on caste, gender, creed. I would definitely like to remove all of it. I would like to make a society that is safe for both men and women. So yeah, I would try at least to do this. The third question is, this is a fun one and this is related to television. So what would you go for if you were asked to go for KKK or Big Boss? See, personally, I would never like to go for Big Boss, because I don't want to be put into a situation where I have to argue on baseless things. And honestly speaking, I don't like that show at all. I would be going for K3, although I'm afraid of creepy crawlies, but still it would make me daring and at least I would try to fight my fears. The next question is, how do you keep motivated when you feel low? First of all, everyone feels low. This is not something that is particularly about a person. सबको बुरा लगता है, सबका कोई ना कोई पॉइंट होता है जिसको वो लेके चलते हैं, and everybody carries out a different strategy to come out of it. First of all, you don't need to feel like that. Just feel as if this is the last day of your life and you need to make the best out of it. And how can you make the best out of it? The only thing that you can do is be happy. The other thing, count your blessings at that time. All the blessings that you have achieved from your parents, from your people, and understand that you are important, you are unique, and you have to give something or the other to the society, and the society needs you as a person, because everyone has some quality or the other in them and they want that quality from you. They want you to represent the society in terms of a positive sphere. So yeah, आपको ये सोचना है कि what is my impact in the society, what am I giving to the society. And the other thing is that आपको ऐसा सोचना है कि जैसे ये आपका last day है, and how can you make it productive. If you will feel low, it would do nothing. So आपको कुछ ऐसा करना चाहिए हर दिन जो कि कुछ productive हो, and it adds something to the other to your perfectionist bank. Now let's move to the next question. So the next question is, what is the greatest satisfaction of being a content creator? Personally, according to me, the greatest satisfaction that I have achieved as a content creator is that I can share my views with you guys. I am becoming more confident in terms of speaking, and the main thing was that I wanted to share what I knew. I can share my talents, I can share whatever I feel about a particular situation. I can share a part of my life with you, and that is what I personally love about YouTube as well. And I'm very grateful for achieving at a platform where I can actually talk to you guys. I can share my views with you. So the greatest satisfaction is that being a person who is heard, being a person whose views matters. So the next question is your favorite music album from a Bollywood movie. There are a lot of albums that I personally like. The first one would be Ae Dil Hai Mushkil. All the songs are bang on. After that, Kabir Singh. So these are the two that I remember right now. So the next question is, which is the last movie you saw at the theater? Honestly speaking, मुझे सच में याद नहीं है because COVID has made our life so tough. I literally don't remember. The last movie I remember is I guess Bala by Ayushmann. After that, Lion King. I don't remember which was exactly the last movie that I watched. So thanks to COVID for this. Probably जैसे ही खुलेगा, I'm gonna go and watch a movie. Next question is, can you give some advice for upcoming YouTubers? My only advice would be consistency. First of all, आपको जो भी आता है, you don't need to feel shy. You need to come up with your talent and you need to share it. Secondly, consistency is the key. जब आप consistency break करोगे, your audience would obviously lose interest in you. Because as I told earlier, they have an option to unsubscribe you. They have an option to unfollow you. So that is the only case. अगर पहले ये होता that they just get one option, they have to subscribe and they can't undo their decision. But now they have the chance, they have the liberty, and you ultimately want your audience to stick to you. You want your audience to be with you. So that's what I feel like. Consistency would be the main point. If you're coming on YouTube, you should be consistent. Second thing, your ideas, your videos should be unique. It should be different from others. You should bring something that no one has watched. Because अब क्या हो गया है, everybody is on YouTube. Mostly everybody is on YouTube. I am a YouTuber. I don't know how many people know me in the world. Because there are so many people on YouTube. YouTube is an international platform. And I personally, ऐसा हो सकता है कि मुझे कोई YouTuber पता हो और आपको ना पता हो. So in that case, if you want yourself to shine out of the crowd, then you need to do something unique. कुछ ऐसा लाइए जो किसी ने अब तक नहीं किया है. That would be a better thing to do, according to me. The next question is, what are your views on YouTube competition? Yeah, obviously the competition has increased. I'm gonna also accompany this with another question of the same type. What was your reaction on many actors joining YouTube? See, personally speaking, my reaction on YouTube competition is quite basic. आप कहीं भी जाओगे, आप कुछ भी करोगे, competition is every single where. If you would go to a fashion shop, there are thousands of fashion bloggers, there are thousands of people who are working in that. You would go into the cookery field, there's thousands of amazing chefs. If you would come to this field, there are hundreds and thousands and lakhs of YouTubers. I don't even know in counting how many are there. So obviously every day I feel like thousands of YouTubers are joining in. So competition is increasing and actors are joining YouTube. I don't know. See, it's my personal opinion. Many people are very negative towards it. कि actors क्यों join कर रहे हैं? They are earning in free. They're not posting anything. But just because they are actors, their fan pages are following them and spreading their notion everywhere. I don't know. I just feel like कि अगर वो इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आए हैं जहाँ पे उनको एक दिन में they are earning money through YouTube, then they must have done something in the past. There are so many people who are following them at a moment. तो उन्होंने जो उस टाइम सैक्रिफाइस दिया, जो उस टाइम उन्होंने स्ट्रगल किया, उसका उनको फ्रूट आज मिल रहा है. सो वी शुड टेक इट एज अ हेल्दी कॉम्पिटिशन. हमें ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि दे आर गेटिंग money for free. They have also done something in the past. They have struggled a lot more than us. They've struggled for maybe 10 to 15 years to get that position that they have earned right now, and due to which they are earning. So I don't think so. हमें सिर्फ ये एक्सपेक्ट सोचना चाहिए कि वो अभी आए हैं. We should also think that they have been in this industry since last 10 to 15 years. So we should respect that and we should support them in this, I guess. Next question is, where do you see yourself in upcoming 5 years? I guess I see myself becoming a doctor. I also see myself hopefully to be a successful YouTuber, and more than that, I would like to see myself bringing smile to people's face. And yeah, that's it. Okay, so there was another question, what to do if our parents are also toxic like our friends? ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू से कि हमारे पेरेंट्स कभी भी टॉक्सिक नहीं हो सकते. दे वुड ऑलवेज थिंक गुड फॉर अस. कोई भी पेरेंट्स ऐसे नहीं होते जो अपने बच्चे का बुरा चाहेंगे. सो आई गेस दे वुड ऑलवेज थिंक बेटर एंड बेस्ट फॉर यू. इफ यू स्टिल फील लाइक योर पेरेंट्स आर गेटिंग टॉक्सिक, the only reason for that is they might have spoken rudely to you, or they might not be paying attention to you. There's some of the other reasons. So first you need to understand कि वो reason क्या है जिस वजह से आपको ऐसा लग रहा है that they are toxic. Coming back to your question related to friends, yeah, they can be toxic. I've never said that they cannot be toxic. I've even made an episode on that. So toxic friends are always there, that I agree. But if you feel like your parents are toxic, first of all you need to understand why are you feeling like they're toxic, and you need to re-verify your opinion, your notion about it. After that, if you still feel like they are kind of toxic, then you need to be independent, you need to be self-sufficient. Not if you feel like everybody should be independent and self-sufficient. You should be so confident that you don't need anyone else. Every time you're putting something on the table, it should be your own opinion, your own notion. You should not get influenced by anybody. So I guess you should be independent, you should be self-sufficient. Also try to trust a platform where you would not be expecting anything in return. No one would judge you. For example, if I take up content creators or YouTubers as us, we are having a one-side communication with you. So you can trust us, you can tell your problems to us, because the only reason behind that is we are non-judgmental. Even if we want to, we can't give our judgment to you because it is a one-way platform. So I guess, as I told you earlier in episode 1, you can trust us, you can trust me. Any problem you can contact me, because we as content creators, we are a one-way communication holders. We don't know what's going on in your mind when you're watching our videos. We only come to know about it when you comment or when you subscribe or when you like. So as far as that is concerned, if you would share your problems with us, we would definitely try to make out a conclusion for that. So if you feel like you still have some problem, you can definitely contact me related to it. But first of all, try to be self-sufficient, try to be independent, and after that try to trust on somebody or the other. Maybe it's going to be your relatives, anybody. Try to trust somebody or the other in this case. Next question. Will you do more hauls, as we are so excited to see them? Lavya. Yes, I would be doing them. I am getting a lot of questions related to it. Coming soon, that's all I can say right now. Which is the last picture on your mobile phone? So this is the picture. Next question is, Heidi, just wanted to tell you that you are amazing and deserve a lot more subscribers. So what would you like to say in terms of subscriber count? First of all, thank you. And about subscribers, see, as I said, हर किसी को discover नहीं कर पाता. And I guess with your love and support, as you're subscribing, I would reach to more and more people. And as you would spread the notion, there would be more and more people watching. So वैसे ही आपके subscribers बढ़ते हैं. बाकी, thank you. That's it for this Soul Talk video. I really hope you guys found my answers and you are satisfied with them. And I'm going to catch you now in December. Take care of yourselves and goodbye.